At this beautiful focaccia just baked. I know that wow. Let's see how I made it. Hello my friend, how are you today? Welcome to another video. Today we have this beautiful, amazing natural yeast that we use usually for the sourdough, and I'm gonna make an amazing, beautiful, fresh focaccia. Okay my friend, we have our natural yeast, we have the flour, and we have the water, the salt. So let's make it. We need 50 grams of molten salt, 1 liter of good water. In this way we dissolve the salt in the water. Batch. You see, this kind of process, very long and hard work, I do all the time. It doesn't matter the size of the event, I'm doing this process all the time. The bread is turned amazing, very tasty. Okay, now you put this dough into a warm environment. I've got a cabinet at 38 degrees, but you can put it in a warm environment until the dough is double in size. It's proofy and is double in size. So then you have a product like this. You see, this is elastic. You see, this is very different than before. This is beautiful. Put it in proofing until it's double in size. see, now I'm gonna put the dough in the trays, but is because I just finished to work it, so is not ready to be stretched along the trays. So in order for me to be allowed to stretch the dough all over the trays, I need to let it rest 3-4 minutes. So when the dough will be rested, and relaxed, then will allow me to spray like this into the trays, evenly into the trays. So you need to do this thing. You have to leave the dough aside for a few minutes until it becomes nice and soft again. And then you put to proof, in proving like this, you see? Now you have this beautiful, amazing dough. This is another batch. And but the process is all the same that I'm doing. And look how beautiful and proved beautiful. Double inside, and wow, amazing. Look at this beautiful focaccia, just made, beautiful, just baked. And I know that wow,